case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1895, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a case on incandescent lamp patents, focusing on the idea that a patent must not give the holder too much control over a field, and it must clearly explain the invention and its process. Sawyer and Man had claimed a patent for an incandescent lamp, but the court found that their patent was too broad and lacked a clear description of the device and how to make it. The court took note that Sawyer and Man were not the first to discover that fibrous and textile materials were better for electric illumination, as Mr. Edison and his team had already conducted experiments and found the best materials for an incandescent conductor. Furthermore, the court noted that a patent excluding competitors from using such materials would likely fail due to their prior use. The court also considered the state of the art at the time of the patent application, which included the arc light and incandescent system that produced white light by heating a strip of refractory material with an electric current without wearing away the conductor. This combination of the two systems never gained widespread use. Ultimately, the court held that Sawyer and Man's patent claim was invalid due to its broadness and unclear description of the device and its process. Additionally, they determined that a patent excluding competitors from using fibrous materials would likely fail due to prior use. The decision of the circuit court was affirmed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.